In today's tutorial, I want us to look at how we can create YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are type of videos that do not take longer durations. Most of the time, it's 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then they attract a lot of views. Okay, so if we go to YouTube now, let's check what we have, and then we move to the shorts column. We move to the shorts column here. You can see this is a YouTube short, and you imagine the number of likes and the interactions.
You're free to go, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a great
Wait,
day.
what?
So
Who are you?
These are
You.
all
No, not me,
shorts.
you. Yes, I am you.
They
Just
are
answer the
short,
damn
short
questions. Who are you?
videos. Just short videos. And this is what we want to create today. I want to show you how to do this. So in today's tutorial, we are just going to use two technologies, okay? We're just going to use two websites to be precise. We would need Canva, okay? And then we also use ChatGPT. So first of all, this is what we are going to do. We need to head over to ChatGPT, give you the prompt, and the prompt is this. I will make this available upon request. So if you need the script or the prompt that I used to generate this particular facts, then comment, let me know. Once you comment and ask for it, I will drop it. Okay. My channel is just starting up, so I want to use this to boost interactions on my page. So let me know, just comment I need it, and then I'll drop that. So let's head over. So once you have this particular template ready in like this, you can generate as many as you want, but for now I'm just going to generate 10 different points or topics here. And then once you have this, then we move to Canva, right? We just go to Canva. If you come to canva.com, once you type canva.com, like you can see here, canva.com, it will bring you to this page. And when you are here, you can just search for YouTube Shorts, or yes, YouTube Shorts, and then you hit enter. It should also bring you to this page where you see sample templates like this. But in today's discussion, we will not need any of these things. What we need to do is to click on create blank. So you want to start everything from scratch. Now it will bring you to this side. This is exactly what you want. Your page should look like this. Now those of us who are first timers using Canva, please don't worry. This is going to be detailed explanation, so you get everything right. Now what you want to do here is to look on the left pane here, this particular left side, and then go click on apps. Go to apps, click on the apps there, and then you want to scroll down. Sorry, I think I passed that place. You want to scroll down and then look for videos. All right, this particular look for videos, or you can search for it here in the search bar. You can just type videos and it will come. So once you click on that, what we need is a background. Okay, we want a background that is transitioning so that our text can also fit on it. So we want to pick this one. I'll pick this particular one. I'll just have to resize it. All right, this is no issue, just so that it fits onto the page, right? You can even send this up until the sun is at the top. Okay, this is okay. And what I want to do already, you see this is 59.6 seconds. I don't need that. I only need about 10 or 5 seconds. So I'm just going to drag this all the way back, drag it again until I get like 5 seconds. Okay, I need, or let's make it 3, all right? Sorry, 6. Let's make it 6 seconds. If you're not getting the right thing, you can just, okay, I think I have it. All right, so this is 6 seconds. All right, so what we'll need next is to put the text on it. So what we are going to do is to go and click on the text here, and then we want the heading. So we'll just select this one, and then we'll just call it topic. All right, we'll call it topic. Is that correct? Sorry. Okay, let me move this to the top, and then topic, and then I want to change the color to, well, I don't know if white will be okay. Put the white blue, or let's pick black, and then I want to change this fonts. I'm just trying to format this to make it look more appealing, right? Okay, so I want this here, the topic should be here, and okay, I want the topic should be here, right? Okay, and then I want to increase the size a bit. 93, no, okay, let me give it 90, right? Yeah, 90 is okay. So I can duplicate this and then bring it down, and I'm going to call that sorry, I'm just going to call that as part 1, right? And then and then duplicate this again and then call it also as part 2, yeah, like this. But I think the black wouldn't do, so let's change the text color to white for all of them. Yep, white is okay, or any color that you prefer, right? So, and the topic, I want to give it a different color, so I'm going to give it something like this. No, I think it's not helping. Something like this. Well, anything, any color, like I said, anything. I would love to go for color like because that place is red, I think something like this. No, wouldn't be bad. But then, okay, I want to make this very short. Let me just pick this color. All right, let me just pick the black color. So this is what I have here. Now the next thing we want to do here is to ensure that the video we've included here doesn't have any background noise. So you want to click on the page and look for the volume button here. Realize it's already off, which means the video doesn't have any noise there, so that we don't get interrupted with anything. In any case, if you like the background sound or video sound, you can keep it like that, but it's advisable that you take it off by dragging the volume down, way down to 0. So now we are here. What we want to do here is I think we are done with this. If you want to add your logo, you can add it. So let's say you want to add your own logo to make it unique. I can just grab my logo here. Oh sorry, that's not the logo, and then put it at the top here. Okay, I want to put it at the top, and then I want this one to be the side. Okay, now what I want to do next is to still format this. I want this to the part 1, whatever is going to be there, I want it to transit for some time and then stop, so that the part 2 text, whatever is going to be on that part 2, will also move there. So I just want to click on part 1, and then once you select it, you see these 3 dots here, that is more. Click on it and then go for show timing. Go and select the show timing there. When you click on that, I need you to drag it until, since the length of the entire video is 6 seconds, drag that to 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds, that's it. And then click the second one, which is part 2, and then go well, since we copied it, it didn't tell us anything. Go back again and then show timing, and then drag that to extra 30 seconds. Okay, I think that would be good. Okay, yeah, you realize that the part 2 will start when part 1 has disappeared, right? Okay, so that's good, that's okay. And the design is done. Now we need to go and bring our data. All we need to do now is to head over to ChatGPT. Like I said, I will send you the prompt so you can generate this. So once you are here, you just have to copy everything from the top, especially in this column, and then you can just copy it and then go back to, sorry, go back here. Wait, where am I? Okay, here's it. Okay, come here and then go back to the apps again. Tap or click on the apps. Once you click on it, I need you to find bulk crates. Now, there's an issue here. If you are using a mobile phone, you will not be able to use this particular functionality because it is not available for mobile phones. All right, so you need to use a laptop to get access to this particular create bulk. Okay, so just click on it. It will bring you here and ask you to enter data manually or upload CSV or more data sources. Just click on enter manually, and so it will bring you to this particular interface. I need you to just select the first one, which is the name, and then paste your scripts. So you see your script is now, it has topic part 1 and then part 2, exactly what we have from ChatGPT. If you check here, you realize that we have topic part 1 and then part 2, and that is what we need here, right? So from here, I need you to grab this scroll bar, scroll down, and then hit on done. Now here is the thing. You need to click on the topic here, right? The topic, this one, the first one, okay, and then come and select the topic that you have on your template here, and then click on the 3 dots and you will see connect data. Click on the connect data and then choose topic, which means you want all topics to appear here. And then similarly, just go through for part 1, select connect data part 1, and then part 2, connect data part 2, right? Which means everything is set here. Now, this is what I want to do here. I want to put some sort of creativity here. I want, at the time that the part 1 has elapsed, then I want part 2, the text for part 2, I'm sure it will be more. So I want to move the part 2 onto the position of part 1. But this is what I want to do. I want to ensure that my text do not get out of the page. So I'm going to drag this until I see, okay, that red button, that is the border, and then grab this one until, yeah, that is it. I believe you can see what is happening here. Grab the second one to make sure everything is contained here. Okay, good. Let me be sure. Okay, that's it. So now I want to grab this and send it over to here. What will happen is that each time each time part 1 it's done, then the text will start from the position of part 1. Like part 2 will start from part 1, so that it doesn't get to the bottom that much. So the next thing we want to do here is to click on continue, and let's see the magic happen. You can see these are the scripts that we have from ChatGPT. This is purely no stress. So let's generate and see what we have. Okay, so here is it. This is what we have. You realize that we have 1, 2, 3, about 10 of them. Now let me play it and see how it looks like. So crash facts, every time you crash, blah blah blah. Okay, you feel like you won a lottery. The second one says the best relationship. Now look at something here. You realize that the relationship fact together with the second one, it's almost overlapping into each other. So what I want to do now is to head over. So here you can just toggle the what do you call the changes here, or here you can send it up if you want. You can send it up here, or and equally reduce the size, the fonts or font size for part 1, okay, to let's say 100, right? Okay, and then part 2 as well, we also want to reduce that to 100, right? You can change the font style if you want, and I'm just going to do the same thing, and then go back again and regenerate the pages. Let's see how it looks like this time around. Just a sec. Good. So here we are. We have everything. Let me play using this particular button, and we should have it, right? So we have crash fact and blah blah blah. You feel like you won the lottery, and it moves to the next one. So there are about 10 different videos that we've created within a matter of 10 to, yeah, just I think it's almost 10 minutes. So this is what you want to do. Now something happened here at the back. Let me bring it back here. You realize that this text is out of the page. Let's go back. So these are just technicalities. These are things you have to consider yourself, like play around until you get a perfect thing. You can still reduce the size of this, or in any case, you can just change the font style. All right, I want to use this. Okay, I think this is okay. Um, I want to drag it over. Let me drag this over here. I think that would be cool. And um, okay, let me go back to apps. Okay, and bulk. I don't have to do anything, it's already there, right? So I can just decide to paste anything again. The same thing I copied, come back, and there we go. So if I continue and generate pages, all the 10 pages, I should see something similar yet with the changes we've made, right? Okay, so this is what we have here. This is exactly what you have. So all the videos here can play, you can see, with a nice background. Now what you need to do is to add a sound, but you can just look for any of the softwares or online tools out there to give you to read out the text to you by giving them your scripts and all of that. So guys, this is how you can generate more than 1,000, almost 1,000 videos at just a click, just a video. Like, so whatever you see on YouTube shorts, you can also create it. Okay, you can also create it. Now let's see how to download this. Just, you can click on the share button here, and then it will allow you to download this as an MP4. Right now, what you want to do is to click on download pages as separate files. So select this and then hit download. Once you click on that, it will give you a zip file. Okay, you give you a zip file, something like this. So when it's done, you just have to extract the files, and you should see something similar to this. So 1, 2, 3 up to 10. These are your 10 videos that you have. You can play them and see how they look like. So in this case, you can see blah 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 like that. For the first one, you can upload this today, tomorrow upload another one, or upload in series. So thank you very much. In my next video, I believe some of the function you can use this. Sorry, you can use the free version of Canva to get everything that you want. But if you still need a pro version, I think comment below. Let me know the number of people that need a pro, Canva Pro, so that I show you the hack to get it for free. Remember, it is just for educational purposes only. So this is how you can create your YouTube shorts. You can also toggle this and get onto your TikTok videos, so you get more likes and more followers. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.